God, today I'm gonna be telling you something bad about my dog. Something sad. Princess, what's up? Come on. So, we went to the vet for her, and the vet said she has no signs of being pregnant. And yeah, that's the bad news. And but she's healthy. She just didn't have no puppies in her. Oh. Princess. Yeah. We wish she had puppies. She did. We would have been happy. But soon, she's gonna get pregnant again. For now, she's not. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna feed her. Come on, Princess. Come on. We'll get her some food. All right, hold on. Gotta be careful. Give it a little bit. Come on. So yeah, Princess. So yeah, let me get like this cup of food. It's just a snack. Princess, come on, hurry up. Yeah. So I'm just updating you guys on her. There you go, Princess. So yeah, guys. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. And a little bit, I'm about to clean my torch cage, make a video on there. And y'all gonna see all that happen. Bet y'all never saw my face before. I never. I'll show y'all my face. Soon I'm gonna show you a face flip. Show you my face face review. But yeah, you can see she's munching on that. And I'm about to put her in the cage though, back. Alright, see y'all. Peace.